by an article on aerosols, in 1955, chemical engineer John Thornborough built one of Australia's first aerosol filling lines in his garage in Traralgon with the help of just a couple of colleagues. That marked the beginning of Ensign Laboratories, whose first product, Insectisol, was sold at local petrol stations. After a period in Brunswick, Ensign later relocated to the Mulgrave site it occupies today. It is now a world-class facility, having expanded and modernised many times over the years.
Today, Ensign employs around 500 people, with a significant portion being technical specialists. We have more than 50 chemists working in research, development, and quality control alone.
We employ three kinds of engineers: electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, and mechatronics engineers, who work on designing and programming in-house automation and robotics.
With the evolution of the business, we now deliver product to markets all over the world.
All of which gives our clients the flexibility to scale up or down when needed. The assurance of ongoing quality, confidence that their product will always be ready, and most importantly, the confidence that their products are developed with rigour and manufactured to the highest levels of quality and global compliance. Many of the world's leading pharmaceutical, sun care and personal care brands have trusted Ensign Laboratories for decades. From Melbourne to North America, Europe, Asia and beyond, Ensign-made products reach homes and healthcare worldwide. Ensign Laboratories are your partner in world-class manufacturing.